we're going to start this panel up. It's a PLC overlay of a control panel. Many benefits to this panel. Here's our startup procedure. Power on. Everything needs to warm up just like a computer. Our controllers you don't see on the face of the control panel, they're embedded in the control panel. It can be any type of controller with communications systems down, and we're starting it up. We'll put a username, and here's our control. This is the main page of different things that we can monitor. We have a red line up here, control line. This is our temperature. I can change the temperature of this temperature instrument, which is inside the control panel, but I can change the settings right here. As you can see, I have a 5 degree and I have a 1 degree. We can take it back up 5 degrees, back up to 48, 47. All right. We're going to go control line. We're going to start this up. We have combustion power off. We need to turn the combustion power on. Wait for the instruments. Low zinc bypass needs to be bypassed. If you have a low zinc level connected, blinking control line 2 blinks telling you this is where we need to go because our line is satisfied. There's no red. Everything's okay. White power light. Control line. All the limits. Frequency drive is on. All green lights. We call these radio buttons. We have a purge sequence that's saying I need to go to purge. It's telling you what you need to do. You would not get this if you didn't have your main air limit, your gas high limit, gas low limit, proof of closure, and the frequency drive being running. Now we're telling the system to purge. While we're waiting for purge, we need to go to control line 3. Here is the purge timer. We've got an amber light blinking. We're waiting for the frequency drive to come up to give us enough air pressure to start our purge timer. The purge timer is now getting down. We shortened the video. We didn't want to have to wait 3 minutes. Once we accomplish the sequence of the purge timer, we're going to get a change. Purge complete. System's telling me I need to go low fire. That's going to tell the frequency drive now to drive back down. And we're going to go over to the burners, and we have a low air hold. The frequency drive is going down. It went far enough down. It gave me permission to light the burners. I can auto start both of them, or I can start them individually. If it's 15, 16 burners across the line, you can select any ones you want to light off. I'm going to light this auto. Spark, solenoid valve. You see when they actually come in. The flame, we are connecting to the eclipse of air flame signal directly. We're putting out about 9 volts, which is a good voltage. We've locked in on run. We've locked in on run with all the burners locked in that are turned on. It's now telling us, let's take it to run. If we didn't, and we went back to the menu, we went back to temperature display, it says we're in low fire. Control line, control line, control line. All the way back to the burner light up, low fire. There's the run. Now we're in run. We're